The phrase NFT is short for non-fungible token. NFTs are unique cryptographic tokens that exist on a blockchain and cannot be replicated. They are generally used to prove ownership of digital files or digital art. Digital art in particular has attracted widespread attention as reflected in some of the high-profile sales which have been seen in recent years. All kinds of digital objects can be bought and sold as NFTs. This includes images, music, videos, books, virtual land, and even tweets. The NFT acts as a proof of authenticity on the blockchain, which is the digital record of transactions. They can be thought of as a unique signature, much like the modern day equivalent of an artist's signature on an oil painting. Now, why is the blockchain important here? Well, the blockchain stores information such as who owns the digital asset, when it was purchased, when it was sold, and to whom it was sold to. These records cannot be forged because the record of information is maintained by millions of computers and nodes around the world on a public ledger. From a legal and technical perspective, we can say an NFT has four elements. The first element is the token itself, and this can be seen as the verifiable signature which is recorded on the blockchain. So here, anyone can view which address has minted the token and who else has previously owned it. The second element is the associated metadata, so the images, the music, and videos, for example. The third element is the smart contract. This is a series of automatically executable instructions associated with the NFT. For example, upon the sale of an NFT, if instructed, the smart contract can automatically allow royalties of 25% of the sales to go to the creator of the NFT. The fourth element is the contract when the NFT is issued. And this is commonly found within the terms of use of the platform through which the NFT is bought and sold. Involvement in NFTs will not always be risk-free. They are not currently subject to regulation, so there is little or no legal protection for those involved with them. Anyone considering investing in NFTs need to be aware of the different types of fraud in this sector. Some of the most common are tokenization, for example. This is where someone takes an artist's work without permission and turns it into an NFT. Wash trading. This is where users trade with themselves or accomplices to create the illusion of high demand for an NFT to manipulate its value or raise its profile. Sleep minting. This is where hackers have NFTs transferred to their wallet illegally and then convince potential buyers that they are entitled to sell them. Economic sanctions. As NFTs are unregulated, those who have had sanctions imposed on them may be able to trade in NFTs without being detected by enforcement agencies. Insider trading, where individuals use knowledge not available to the public for their own financial gain. And money laundering. Laundering the proceeds of crime through NFTs is likely to attract less attention compared to laundering through more traditional assets. The importance of taking the right approach is dependent on whether you are a buyer, seller, content creator, or marketplace. For the purpose of this video, I will focus on the art marketplaces. Now, involvement with NFTs require the creation of procedures to identify, assess, and minimize the risks associated with them. And this would entail, for example, preparing a risk-based approach to prevent unwanted customer transactions, introducing alerts to minimize the time between a suspicious incident and its investigation, reducing the potential for illegal activity, and this may require the assistance of those with awareness of the legal issues and challenges arising from this new technology. At Rahman Ravelli, our experts can advise and devise a course of action for any individual or corporate that is involved with NFTs or is considering becoming involved.